You wake up with that same ache again, the one that makes even sitting feel exhausting. It's not just your body that hurts. It's your motivation, your peace, your energy. You've tried resting, stretching, maybe even ignoring it, but it keeps coming back. What if your back isn't broken, just begging for strength? Today we'll fix it together, one move at a time. Let's start where all healing begins. Understanding the pain that it's not weakness. It's wear and tear from life itself. Hours at your desk, endless scrolling, constant stress. Your lower back silently carries it all. Over time, tension builds, posture collapses, and pain whispers louder. You start to believe this is normal, but it's not. The body keeps score, and your back is trying to tell you something. Relief isn't in medication. It's in movement. Because when your body moves with strength, your mind follows with peace. So, what's really behind this constant pain? Let's uncover the truth next. Pain is often a signal, not a punishment. When your lower back muscles weaken, your spine takes the load. The result? Pain, stiffness, and fatigue. But here's the truth. Your back is incredibly resilient. It just needs support. Strong glutes, flexible hips, and an engaged core create a foundation that protects your spine like armor. You don't need a gym or equipment, just consistency. Strength isn't built in a day, it's built in minutes of daily discipline. Ready to rebuild that strength? Let's start with the first move, the Superman hold. Lie face down, stretch your arms forward and lift. Simple but powerful. The Superman hold wakes up every fiber of your lower back. It reminds your spine how to hold you tall again. Feel the burn? That's your strength returning. Stay steady, breathe, and rise. This movement teaches endurance, not just for your muscles but for your mindset. Every lift says, I'm not giving up. Once you've reclaimed that feeling of strength, it's time to anchor it through stability. Your spine can't thrive without strong support beneath it. That's where your glutes come in. The glute bridge activates your body's natural power center, taking the pressure off your back. Lift your hips slowly, feel your core engage, and breathe into your movement. Stability is built from the ground up, each repetition reconnecting you with your strength. You're teaching your body how to stand tall again without pain, without tension. Next, we'll bring balance, where control meets calm. Balance isn't found, it's built. The bird dog challenges both body and mind. As you extend opposite limbs, your focus sharpens, your spine realigns, and your breath steadies. This isn't just exercise. It's mindfulness in motion. Every controlled lift rewires your body for balance and calm. If your life feels out of alignment, this move brings it back, one slow breath at a time. And when strength meets flexibility, true healing begins. Tension fades when strength and flexibility work together. The cat-cow stretch restores movement to your spine. Every arch and round releases the stress you didn't even know you were holding. Then comes the dead bug core control in its purest form. It strengthens the connection between your abs and lower back, stabilizing your entire body. Together, they do more than relieve pain. They teach your body to move freely again. Now that you've rebuilt your foundation, it's time to transform your life. The moment you rise without pain, you'll feel it. Not just in your back, but in your confidence, your calm, your freedom. This journey wasn't about exercise, it was about trust. Trusting your body, showing up daily, and believing that healing is possible. Your back is stronger. But more importantly, you are stronger. Every rep was a reminder that growth takes courage. And your journey to a pain-free, powerful life has only just begun. Your body is your home. Take care of it with love, not pressure. Dizzy, if this video helped you reconnect with your strength, subscribe to the Heath of Fitness, and join a community that believes in mindful movement, healing, and growth. Let's rise together.